A quadratic equation is a second-degree polynomial equation in one variable. It can be written in the general form: x squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are constants, and x is the variable. The quadratic equation represents a curve called a parabola, which can either be concave upward or downward, depending on the value of a. To solve a quadratic equation, there are a few methods commonly used. Factoring. If the quadratic equation can be factored, you can set each factor equal to 0 and solve for x. For example, consider the equation x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. This equation can be factored as x plus 2, x plus 3, equals 0, which gives the solutions x equals -2 and x equals -3. Quadratic formula. The quadratic formula provides a direct method to find the solutions of any quadratic equation. It states that for an equation of the form x squared plus bx plus c equals 0, the solutions can be found using the formula x equals b plus or minus square root b caret 2 to 4ac 2a. For example, consider the equation 2x squared plus 5x3 equals 0. Using the quadratic formula, we get x equals -5 plus or minus square root 5 caret 2 to 42 minus 3 2 asterisk 2. X equals 5 plus or minus square root 25 plus 24 4. X equals 5 plus or minus square root 49 4. X equals 5 plus or minus 7 4. So the solutions are x equals -5 plus 7 4 equals 1/2 and x equals 5 to 7 4 equals -3. 1. Completing the square. Another method to solve quadratic equations is by completing the square. 1. This involves manipulating the equation to express it in the form x h squared equals k, where h and k are constants. 1. By taking the square root of both sides, you can then solve for x. This method is especially useful when the quadratic equation does not factor easily. Quadratic equations have important applications in various fields, including physics, engineering, and economics. They are used to model and solve problems involving parabolic shapes, such as projectile motion, optimization, and the behavior of certain physical systems.